We used to have some columns in the middle of the house that for when we purchased the house that we were really big on. And then after that, we looked at some of the flooring that needed to be replaced because it didn't quite match what we were looking for.
And maybe some paint.
And a little bit of paint. We were going to do bits and pieces, and we added, and then we were thinking of just making the kitchen just a little bit bigger, and then we decided to took everything right back to the studs.
We had like the light maple, and they were the skinny planks. She said, you can redo them. So she was giving all options, and I'm like, yeah, I just can't envision. Well, let me take you. So I met her at the place, and so that I could see this is what it would look like if we redid the floors. So it was nice to be able to actually see, for me anyways, because I'm not very good at envisioning.
And I think they instilled a fair bit of confidence by doing that because they've seen so many different types of construction or renovations. I think it allowed us to build confidence with what we were going to do. So, we were told that it was going to be early September by the time they were going to be done, and we thought, oh, if this goes into October, November, it's going to be pretty tough with all the kids here. So it worked out pretty well. They came in on time, and at the end of the day, they really came in on budget. And in today's world, I think that's a real accomplishment. And I think a lot of that has to do with the trades and the confidence they have in the trades to be able to bid in properly and put a correct number to the budgets. And I think
and the relationship they have with them, because it just seems so smooth. Yeah.
I think it's just homier. I think it's a lot homier. The open concept, which we were a little leery about making it so open, turned out to be great. And I think the finished product is better if you have design and construction together. There's a lot of synergies that go along with the two. I do believe there's some synergies on cost as well. To be able to have a general contractor that you really have our confidence, but I think that confidence comes from a relationship. If you don't feel comfortable communicating good, bad, and indifferent with them, I think you shouldn't hire them. Well, hire Woolrich, right? That would be one. I think we were very happy with them.